Probiotic yeast. Probiotic yeast such as the Saccharomyces and Saccharomyces boulardii produces organic acids during the fermentation. And these organic acids are very helpful in our gut health and to prevent the growth of bad bacteria or the pathogens. Today we're going to discuss what kind of acids the probiotic yeast produce. First, we have here the acetic acid, which is a major organic acid produced during the yeast fermentation. It helps lower intestinal pH and creates an environment that inhibits the pathogenic bacteria, and also it contributes to maintaining a balanced gut microbiota. Succinic acid is the second, which is produced as an intermediate during the yeast metabolism. So this acid can be utilized by other beneficial gut microorganisms, which supports the microbial interactions in the gut ecosystem. The third is the pyruvic acid, which is also known as the metabolic intermediate. It formed during the carbohydrate metabolism and serves as a precursor for other metabolic products in microbial fermentation. And we have here the minor organic acid production, which is very helpful in the gut metabolism. Well, it depends actually on the strain and environment, but these probiotic yeast actually contribute in the production of this minor organic acid. And that's all. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you.